Thinking about a generator? The weather's getting wilder, with hurricanes from June to November or snowstorms from November to February. Climate change means more outages, and every HVAC pro, DIY dad, or all-wise handyman boomer knows protecting a home starts with a solid foundation. That's why QwikPad for generators comes into play from QwikProducts by Mainstream Engineering, right here on Florida's Space Coast, where engineers design the future of defense, flight, and space exploration. This isn't just any coast, it's a hotbed of top-tier engineering talent. MEC is a streamlined unit pumping out the same high-octane quality. Engineering QwikPad and beyond to anchor your generator investment with unshakable reliability. We understand that making the right choice for your property is set with challenges, but a cracked-prone concrete pad? It's a steep add-on with a week to cure and splits waiting to open when the ground shifts from storms, frost, and any unforeseen events. Worse yet, some pre-made pads are foam-filled. Not exactly the rock-solid core you'd bet on. It's half the cost of concrete, skips the curing wait, and sets up in just an hour. It's lightweight for shipping at 46 pounds when empty, but fill it with water to activate our gelling agent, and it's 330 pounds of hurricane-ready strength, designed to handle 180-mile-per-hour winds. We begin with precision, melted plastic injected into a rotomold. As it rotates, the plastic forms durable, uniform walls. Once cooled, we open the mold to reveal a robust, hollow structure. Then, we enhance it. QwikPad's whole pattern is among 1 out of 20 unique features and is designed to perfectly fit leading brands. Don't gamble your power on gravel. Set it on solid ground with QwikPad. Learn more today at qwik.com.